Now today we are going to learn select clause. You will learn how we can select all the columns, a particular column or number of columns, and two new keywords, null and distinct. So as you can see on the screen, there is a table student and it has 6 columns: roll number, name, gender. In gender you can see I have taken care, because as we know for gender we have fixed character, only one, that's why I have taken care for it. Marks you can see are in decimal, so I have taken decimal. 5 means it is a size before decimal and 2 means it is the size after decimal. I want 2 digits. DOB, date, and after that there is a stream. And you can see I have already created a table. Now I am going to insert these records. You can see in these records, see the 9th one, where is my cursor, see null keyword. Now let's see what is null. You can see for Gurpreet there is a column marks. Now in marks, why I have written null? Null means no value. Null का मतलब होता है कि उस particular student के लिए हमारे पास कोई value नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? Because she has not given exam. But we cannot write 0 because 0 is the value. So remember, whenever you have no value, so you will put null for that. And null is a keyword. Keyword means which are the reserved words and used for a specific purpose. So whenever we are going to use a null keyword, remember, we do not write any keyword in the quotes because null is not a value, it is a keyword. Now I am going to execute all one by one. You can see the output in the window. Second row, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9 and 10. So in this way I have inserted all the records. Now what I am going to do, now I am going to show you the select command. Select is a clause which helps us to select the columns only, and without select we cannot select any column and row. To select a row we use where clause, and to select a column we use select clause. So first, suppose select, actually it is a type of query, it is not a DML or DDL command. Select is a query. Now we are going to learn queries because queries help us to retrieve the data. So if you want to select all the columns, select star from table name is students, put semicolon, and then you will execute the query. Now you can see this is the table, all the rows and all the columns are displayed, and here you can see this is a null keyword, means we have no value for Gurpreet. Maybe she has not given any exam, so I have written null here. Now suppose if you want to select a single column, just write select name of a column. Remember one thing, spelling should be correct. It is not case sensitive. Suppose I want to select name only, so I can write in caps also. It is not case sensitive, but it should be correct spelling. From table name is students, now see, it shows all the names, only names values it will show because I have written here name. In the same way, if you want to select two, suppose I want to see their marks also, so just put comma, write down marks from students. From is used to select a table. See, it shows all the names and marks. In the same way, if you want to see more columns at the same time, by putting comma, just keep writing the name. Suppose I want to see their stream. So in this way you can write 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as columns which you want to select. Now we are going to learn a new keyword, that is distinct. Sometimes it happens we maybe in columns, in rows we have same values, but I don't want to see the